Welcome to Homes My School. Hi, how are you viewers? Okay, please watch all the intermediate competitive examinations, first year, second year, and TET to DSC. And one by one, we will explain each and everything. Please subscribe my Homes My School. Homes My School. Subscribe and share and like it. And today, I'm going to explain she conquered the Everest. Intermediate first year. Yes, this year already 30% syllabus deleted, remaining this syllabus. Okay. Second prose lesson, she conquered Everest. Okay, I am telling about the explanation about the only annotation and paragraph. Okay, we can write not only annotation but also paragraph answer. Okay, she conquered Everest by Dr. B. Yes, Dr. B. Saujanya. Yes, these lines are taken from the lesson She Conquered Everest. Dr. B. Saujanya. It was taken from the article on in the internet. She was adapted from the article in the internet. So you can write this is reference and context here. It tells about the lady, yes, women who overcome the terrible tragedy in her life. How she overcome a terrible tragedy. How she overcome the terrible tragedy in her life. So coming to explanation here, we can write the explanation. So explanation, whatever the annotation is there, first annotation and second annotation, third annotation, fourth annotation. Not only annotation but also question you can write yourself, no problem. First of all, listen the gist of the summary for 4 marks for the annotation questions. So she was resident of Ambedkar Colony, and which was located at Lucknow, and her father was doing an Indian army. Her mother was a health department and supervisor. What happened at the age of 3? Arunima Sinha lost her father at the age of 3. So here our protagonist she conquered Everest, and the main role here the protagonist of Arunima Sinha. The lesson major role here Arunima Sinha. So she lost her father at the age of 3. And at the age of 3, very difficult her life. But her sister husband look after the family members. And then Arunima Sinha, she was very interested the sports and games. Sports and games. All of you listen to English to English only. Why? Because we have only 2 months examinations. That purpose. Telugu in the middle only you can use. Okay. So why? Because if you listen to English in the sense of you keep in remembers and listen and some words are and keep in your mind. Definitely will write in the examination. Yes. Listening is the utmost important. First of all, listening, speaking, reading, writing, finally writing. First of all, listening. Okay. She was very interested sports and games like here cyclist, football, and also she had been a national volleyball player. National volleyball player. Even though she was very and even though she completed a graduate in law, she completed degree. Graduation means degree. She was educated, graduated in degree in law, but she did not get the job. See, even though she has so many qualities inside, cyclist, national volleyball player, football player, each and everything inside, but degree is there, but she didn't get the any job. And some suggestion from her sister's husband, please apply for the paramilitary forces. Who said? Her sister husband, please apply paramilitary force. Why? Because she has a very interest in the sports and games. She also apply for the paramilitary forces, but she did not get job. She didn't get the job. Again she want to apply. Yes, this time she was brunt of unemployment. Brunt of unemployment. Means here there is no job. She was very tried and tried. Remain unemployment. And again she want to apply for the central CISR, Central Industry Security Force. At the time she got a letter from the CISR, Security Force, CISF, Central Industry Security Force. From that she got a call letter, interview, and she want to plan to go to Delhi. But what the problem? Her date of birth wrong. Please come on here and rectify your date of birth. And she is willing to join somewhere. Okay, they send the one letter. Please come on here and correct your date of birth. And she make a plan. Yes, she set out to for a Delhi. For a Delhi. Yes, when she was traveling the train, which train? Padmavati Express. Padmavati Express. What happened that train? She want to go to, yes, she want to go to Delhi. When she was traveling in the train, some thugs enter the train. Thugs. Thugs means here robbers, dangal, criminals. Some thugs enter the train and they saw the Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha traveling the train, and she wore the chain and gold chain which was gifted by her mother, and they want to try to snatch her chain, gold chain. Yes, thugs. And she first of all she is the upper hand. She want to fight against them. She put to have a courage, and she want to fight against them. Yes, the compartment was full of people at the time. The compartment was full of people. No one came to her, no one rescue, but being attacked her. So what happened after a few minutes? They want to, yes, all are and dragged the Arunima Sinha throughout from the moving train. She fell down opposite track from the train. Some trucks throughout. She fell down opposite tracks, and train left her, and train war left her leg. The train went to our her left leg, and which was very difficult situation, mitigated and very annoyed. She was very struggled at the time. And after that some people and some lords came there, and she admitted in the hospital. She admitted in the hospital. At the hospital, there is no anesthesia. Means some doctor discussed that you want to operate the leg. You want to add another leg, and almost all one leg cut and cut off. Arunima Sinha cut off her left leg by the doctors without anesthesia. Operated with a amputated leg. Amputated leg, which was means here artificial leg. Yes, Arunima Sinha cut off her left leg by the doctors without anesthesia. See how she is facing all the tragedies, how she overcome without anesthesia. Anesthesia అంటే మత్తు మందు లేకుండానే ఆపరేషన్ చేశారు అమ్మాయికి. This is very terrible in her life. And she was lying on the bed. So, there is a rumor is going on her. There is a rumor why she was committing suicide. Some people without ticket and she was yes, she was fall down. Some people are, but what the CC footage says, she buying a ticket. She buying a ticket. And when she was lying on the bed, she want to decided, I want to climb Everest. I want to climb Everest. She decided determination. Strongly, yes. Even though she was amputated leg, there is no leg, but was added a artificial leg. She want to decided to climb Everest, and so many people laughed at her decision. But she had inside strongly believe, confidence, resilience. Resilience means here quickly recover from the weakness. Resilience. Quickly recover from the weakness. So, and some days, some months later, and she want to stand herself. She understood herself only how to stand, how to move, and practice herself. And gradually, after discharge from the hospital, she went to directly Bachindrapal, who was the first climber the Everest, and she also joined in the as a Nehru Mountaineering Institution. Some people helped her for scholarship. Some people are donate to her scholarship. Some people provide a scholarship to the Arunam Sinha. She completed the course 18 months vigorously. She trained how to climb the Everest and move here and there, and she practiced the small mountains, and finally she has a lot of confidence. At the time the summit is began, now there is a huge summit is there. She want to climb Everest. Yes, they started, and she was started how to climb a tree, how to climb the Everest. The Everest. Yes, she started. She climbing the Everest now. The racing is going on right now. So all the people fall down, but she has a courage inside. And in the middle, what happened? In the middle, her oxygen low, very low. In the middle, when she was climbing the Everest, her oxygen cylinder is low. At that time, Sherpa, who was guided, some people helped to the who are the mountaineering the Everest. Here, Arunima's guide here, Sherpa. Sherpa. Yes. So who helped her? Who gave the extra cylinder to her, and she climbed the Everest. Finally, she erected the Indian flag. Yes. She finally reached the Everest. That is the conquered. That is the conquered. So in this way, finally, Arunima Sinha conquered the Everest. See how she overcome all the troubles and tragedies. So that is why we are inside. He is a lot of confidence, courage, resilience, hard work, team spirit, leadership qualities inside. Okay, this is the she conquered Everest. How she conquered the Everest. How she reached the finally Everest. So Dr. B. Saujanya, which was written. See, it was adapted the Dr. B. Saujanya article in the internet. Arunima Sinha is the protagonist of the character. Protagonist, hero, means actually a lady, but hero called a protagonist. So how she faces all the troubles inside. So this lesson motivate all the people, and inside industry, hard work, discipline, team spirit, resilience, all are comes in the Arunima Sinha. This is the she conquered Everest. So my dear students, please write down in the same way. Okay, how she overcome the all the troubles, how she overcame the tragedy in her life. Finally, she reached the Everest. So please keep on watching and subscribe the Omsis My School. Okay, next we'll meet another grammar topic. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you.